Okay, in this final VCarve video, first of all, I apologize for the sound quality. I can't get my computer to do it properly. But in this final video, you're going to have to take your files. At this point, you should have toolpaths applied. The toolpaths can be for the VCarve, the profile. It's an extra profile here. Just make sure that you only have one of each type of toolpath. So this can be gotten rid of. One of each. That's all we need. But the problem here is that your sheet of plywood that you're cutting this out of is 48 inches by 48 inches. In order to use the material properly, you have to fill up the rest of the material with other people's projects. So, if you are the first done in listening to this video, listening being used a very loose term, listening, then you can choose to go to everybody else at your table first, or anywhere else in the room, and ask them if they have components that you can import to your sheet. The first sheet that is filled will be cut out on the following day. So you want your pieces? Let's do it. Now, if you're going to be compiling, you must compile them to the same type of component, meaning if it's all plywood pieces, then bring in all plywood pieces. For example, aprons are plywood, sometimes other components are plywood, shelving units are plywood, shelves for regular tables are made of MDF. This top right here is most likely made of MDF. Why? Because it's painted. Why waste plywood if you're just going to paint it anyway? MDF paints nicer anyway. So, from here, we're going to go up right here where it says import vectors from a file. And whosever file it is that you're going to import to your sheet, you can click on it. Let's just say you went through and you found, for example, the period 7 folder. You went to my PC or my computer and M, McLean Tech Ed, period 7, and you just grab whatever one. Here's a tabletop. Let's see if this works. There we go. So Astas is now imported here. I can click off of it. To make it a little bit easier, I'm going to get rid of the image. And there we go. I'll place this with the arrows or by clicking on it. There we go. And I will, of course, have to go back into the VCarve, flat depth 0.25, good. And I'm going to hold the Shift key down and calculate. It's thinking. And there we go. Preview. And make sure it's going to cut everything out. Looks good. All right. And on to the next one until it's full. As soon as it's full, we'll cut everything out. Thank you.